dislike a toaster or some other kind of inanimate object like your cousin Gus or a VCR that you can't figure out how to hook up. I mean, I really hate my car. It's disloyal to me, unfaithful, disrespectful. My car mocks me. I mean, I really hate my car. 64 Galaxy. 66 Nova. Every squeak, all the oil it takes off me, all the gas I pour into it, all the money, when will it ever end? It always runs out of gas when I'm miles from nowhere. Every time I'm lucky enough to get a date, the engine hot light comes on. All the rattles, all the clanks, all the bumps. I hate my car. Let me repeat it to you so you understand what I'm saying. I don't want anyone to miss the point. I hate my car. 69 Comet. 72 Dodge Dart. I made the mistake once of putting a cassette deck in it, and it ate all my tapes. Where's it all going to end? And I still owe 347 payments on it. Oh, I hate my car. My car caught me looking at another car once and blew a gasket right there on the spot. The manifold, the radiator, the fan belt, the transmission, the universal joint, even the manual in my glove compartment. I hate every inch of my car. 71 Vega. 74 Pinto. Let me say this in Spanish so no one misses the point. Yo odio mi carro. I think you know what that means by now. And just so nobody misses the point, I'm gonna say it in sign language. Can you feel my fingers moving? That's how much I hate my car. You know I'm not right anymore. The other night I woke up in a cold sweat, just knowing that my car was out there laughing at me, knowing it wouldn't start in the morning. I truly hate